So here I'm in the run bot in developer mode, debug mode, and I've added a server action to confirm the sales order twice. And this is for our in records, our action to confirm. So it just confirms the sales order. Now, if I add a sales order that has a subscription in there, so let me just go into one that has a monthly cleaning subscription, and I confirm this one. So there is a subscription now. But if I then confirm it again, and you see that I here show the field subscription management. If I now confirm it again, it becomes an upsell. And of course, this behavior, you should not be able to confirm it again, and that should not happen. But still, it's very weird that it's coded in a way where a sales order suddenly becomes an upsell just by confirming it again. Because actually, an upsell is normally only created from here, where you click upsell and you add a product, and then this routine creates a sales order for you that should be an upsell sales order, but should not be able to turn into an upsell sales order later on. So I think the routine could be improved here. Thank you. Cheers.